Today I'm going to be making fettuccine with spinach and mushrooms. And this is what I have. I have the pan, a nice pan with high shoulders. I got the grated Parmesan cheese with some spices. I have the fettuccine noodles already cooked, mushrooms and spinach, some garlic, the heavy whipping cream, salt and pepper. So first I'm going to cut the stove on, and it came on. Great.
It's always good when that happens.
Oh yes. Now I'm going to put some heavy whipping cream. It'll take a minute or two for this to stop bubbling.
How big a pan is that, John?
9-inch,
Okay.
9 or 10-inch. Has deep sides where you can, make enough for maybe 4 people in this pan.
Okay.
Some salt and black pepper. It's going to take a couple of minutes to warm up.
It's gas steam. Yep.
Yes. It's a beautiful day back here in the kitchen. Even when it's very cold outside, in the kitchen it's warm. So it's great. Okay, I'm going to add some cheese. This is grated Parmesan. It's a blend of Parmesan and Romano cheese.
Okay. What spices do you have in there?
Okay, I have parsley and Italian seasoning. Still. Now I'm going to get some garlic to put in there.
Well,
Oh yes,
nice.
that will make it taste wonderful. Starting to see some steam coming up.
Yep. Good.
The Now I'm going to add some noodles, the fettuccine noodles.
They've already been pre-cooked.
They've been pre-cooked. You do all this. You can do a day ahead of time.
There's less starch with the noodles after they've been cooked a day ahead of time. Is that correct?
It's less, yes. And the starch from the fettuccine noodles will help thicken the sauce, and you can tell already starting to thicken.
Wow.
I'm going to add my spinach and mushrooms. I got maybe a little bit too many, but
Never enough.
Never enough.
Never enough. Look at that.
Look at that.
Oh, wow.
I'm going to add a little bit more cheese.
That cooks up quick.
It does.
Oh, wow. Looks good.
Now we just kind of let it cook a little bit more.
You gotta constantly move it around.
I'm going to go off camera to get a spoon to make a taste, as you can watch it bubble it. Okay, I'm back. I'm going to see if it needs any salt. that's great.
Perfect?
Yes.
What would Granny say?
She'd say, John, you did a great job. And my father, he would say, I want more. Now, at this point, if you didn't want to use the spinach or mushrooms, you could add chicken, shrimp, steak tips, or a combination of any of them.
Scallops?
Scallops would be fantastic.
Yeah.
Yes. Maybe a little bit more pepper. Now I'm going to cut the heat off. Now, how long has it been? Less than 4 minutes?
Yeah. That's ready for plating.
I have a nice plate right here. And this is the Roselli's fettuccine with spinach and mushrooms. Yes, I made enough for at least 2 plates. Put this back. Top a little bit more cheese. And that is the Fettuccine Alfredo with spinach and mushrooms from Roselli's. Yes.